In this short tutorial, I will show you how to fix the issue when your iPhone displays the message, "This app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified." This problem can occur due to various reasons, but it can usually be resolved by following a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap Screen Time. After that, scroll down again and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap Allow Apps. Enter the screen time passcode. What you want to do next is make sure Safari is allowed. To do that, toggle on this switch. Once you've done that, go back to the main settings page and scroll down until you see Safari. Tap on it. Then scroll down until you see an option called Clear History and Website Data. Tap on it, then tap Clear History. After that, scroll down again and tap Advanced. Then scroll down and tap Feature Flag. What you want to do next is scroll down to the very bottom. Tap Reset All to Defaults. Then restart your iPhone. By following these simple steps, you can quickly fix the "app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified" issue on your iPhone. So, that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.